Hello everyone, welcome back to my additional max channel. For today's lesson, I will discuss further on the simultaneous equation. So for today's lesson, we will focus on different methods of solving the simultaneous equation. So we will focus on this exercise. So we have many ways to solve the simultaneous equation, right? So we can use either elimination, substitution, or graphical method, right? So for this one, actually I will use the substitution method. So if I think substitution method is better, so I will use substitution method, right? So for number one, I will actually, before I write number one, I will bring the y to the right hand side. So it become y become positive, then 7 go to the other side. So become 2x minus 7. Okay, so I will label this one as number one. And then this is number two. So I'm going to substitute 1 into 2, sub into 2. Okay, so I'm going to observe number 2. When I see y, I will substitute. When I see y, I will substitute 2x minus 7 and square minus. So when I see x, I just copy. When I see y, I will write 2x minus 7 equal to 11. Alright, so then I need to expand further. So 4x squared minus 28x plus 49. Okay, so this one is actually it should be minus x squared minus 2x squared plus 7x equal to 11. Alright, please double check. So now we are going to observe the like term. So we focus to the x squared. We have 4 minus 3, so left only 1x squared, right? And then we have the negative 28 plus 7, so will be negative 21x. And this number 49 minus 11 be positive 38. Okay, always double check. Okay, so then we will actually factorize. Before this, we have to factorize. If you use a calculator, you have to show the step how you factorize the quadratic equation, and then you have to follow the step. Let the factor equal to 0 and solve the x. So that means the x will be 19 and x will be 2. And then we have to solve the y, right? For each of the y value, y is equal to 2x minus 7. So we will times the x, which is 19. Okay, so it will be 38 minus 7. So 31. Y will be 2 times 2 minus 7. So the answer for y is negative 3. Alright, so we will say, we will actually list down the solution. So the solution will be x is 19, y 31, and then x is 2, y will be negative 3 are the solution. Okay, are the solution for this simultaneous equation. Alright, let's discuss B. For B, I would like to use elimination. So why I will choose elimination? Because I can see there is a like term. They are same sign. Both are positive. So if I minus them, I will take equation 1 minus equation 2. So meaning that if I minus, I can get rid of the x. right? So be careful, 5y minus 3y squared. X minus x cancel out, 1 minus negative 1, okay, it will be 2. So then you change to the right hand side, okay, so it will be minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. So then we just factorize. So 3y minus 2, y minus 1 equal to 0, 3y minus 2 equal to 0, y minus 1 equal to 0. Hence, we can get the answer for y, which is 2/3, and y is equal to 1. And then, because we have to find the x, so the x we will have to substitute into number 1, 5y plus x equal to 1. So 5, okay, y we will substitute plus x equal to 1. So hence will be 1 minus 10 over 3, which is 7 over negative 7 over 3, right? And for this side, the 5 times 1 plus x equal to 1. So x will be 1 minus 5, which is negative 4, right? So then we can conclude that x equal to negative, okay, let me write down, x equal to negative 7 over 3, y 2 over 3, and then x equal to negative 4, y equal to 1, alright, are the solutions of this simultaneous equation. So we have to list out the answer in one line like this. Okay, x negative 4, y 1, and x negative 7 over 3, y 2/3 are the solution for these solutions. Okay, so we have solved the equation involving a simultaneous equation using elimination. Okay, so we are going to solve question C. How to solve question C? Question C is actually involving fraction. So there are many ways to do. So is either you times with the, okay, so let's make the denominator the same. We can times with the, this one we have to times the y, times with the y, times with the x, times with the x. So we are getting y minus x over xy equal to 2, right? Make the denominator the same. So we actually take the 1 over x, we times with the y. Then 1 over y, we times with the x up and down is equal to 2, right? Understand? So we actually have to write like this, right? So we are having the same denominator. So we can say that y minus x over xy is equal to 2. So I can write y minus x equal to 2xy for number 2, right? So for number 1 actually is y equal to 3 minus x is number 1. So I will substitute y equal to 3 minus x. Okay, I'm going to write again y equal to, okay, y equal to 3 minus x, right? According to the question given, 3 minus x, right? Okay, y equal to 3 minus x. Okay, so now we are going to solve this one. Let's substitute 1 into 2, sub 1 into 2. So okay, it looks like without fraction. So when I see y, I will write 3 minus x equal to 2x 3 minus x. Okay, when you see y, you substitute 3 minus x. So I will get 3 minus 2x is equal to 6x minus 2x squared. Finally, I will solve until I get the quadratic equation like this. Okay, got it? This is 0. Now I think this one we will have to use the formula, right? So your a is 2, b is negative 8, c is 3. Now we need to show, because if you press the calculator you get decimal, right? So in this case you have to use a formula, negative b plus minus b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. That's how you write down the formula. Then only you will substitute the value carefully like this, 2, then 3, then here will be 2. Finally, we need to solve the x is 8 plus minus 64 minus 24 over 4. Right? So the x will be 8 plus square root 4t over 4, and the other answer will be 8 minus square root 4t over 4, right? Okay, if you solve it, you will get the answer in 4 decimal places. Okay, so x is, normally we actually prefer answer in 4 significant figure if no instruction given. Okay, we haven't solved the answer yet. We have to find the y. Y is 3 minus x, right? So we have to substitute. Y is 3 minus 3.5811. Y is 3 minus 3 minus, okay, 0.4189. So y is equal to negative 0.5811 and y is equal to 2.5811. So these are the answer for the simultaneous equation. So let's write down again. X is 3.5811, then y will be negative 0.5811, and then x, if x is 0.4189, then the y will be 2.5811. All these are the solutions for this simultaneous equation, right? So we have used different method to solve. Okay, so I think the rest of the question you may try on your own. Okay then.